How are you? I hope you all are very well. So let's start it. Student, today our topic is material costing, who is the chapter of second cost and management accounting. Then we already read the theory, and today I will start new concept, numerical questions. So because we have this video is very useful for that student who is a CA intern, and also useful for become final year student, and this video also useful for MCOM student, because this is the very very good topic, because this topic is control all of this become final year student and MCOM student and also CA intern student. So we get to start first one in inventory control. So first one is reorder level, reorder stock level. It means what? You know, reorder stock level. Whenever we produce and manufacture any goods in a factory, we first think when to order, because whenever we produce anything in a factory, so demand should be suddenly can be the supplier, so we can when to order we decide before demand of supplier. And reorder quantity, it means how much to order, because when we ordered any quantity in the markets, and so we will pay carrying cost and also pay lot of wages, and so lot of expenses in this quantity we will order. So how much to order, I will find out reorder quantity, and is also called EOQ. And second one, at least how much to order for this in a manufacture sector, we will find out minimum stock level, and up to how much to order, then we will find out stock level. And normally how much to order in a week, in a year, in a month. So how I am to find out? For these calculations we find out average stock level. And then again danger stock level. Sometime in a factory our demand is more than supply, so in these times we think what should I do and what should not I do, because we don't have any idea, because customer demand is more, and that times we will find out danger stock levels. And buffer stock means whenever suddenly demand I get, then I will calculate the buffer stocks. So we will get the some questions for explain all this. So I have one questions in our board. So questions is there: reorder quantity 3600 units and reorder period 6 to 9 week, and normal usage is 450 units per week, and the maximum usage 675 units per week, and minimum usage 225 per units. So questions is there: calculate reorder levels, maximum levels and minimum level, and average stock levels. So this is cover all these: first one, second one, third one, and fourth one, this one. So I will calculate our ROL. So student, so I will start ROL. It means reorder level. So ROL equal to maximum usage into maximum lead time. In this questions, maximum usage is 675. Is there is given in this questions. Maximum usage 675 and maximum lead time. Maximum lead time is 9 days. Is given in questions. Then I will multiply. Then I got it 6075. Again, second question is maximum level. Then maximum level equal to ROL minus minimum usage into minimum lead time into our reorder quantity. So before this I find out ROL. ROL is 6075. Then here is 6075 minus minimum usage. Minimum usage is there 2 to 5 is unit and maximum lead time. Maximum lead time what? Maximum lead time 6 is there. Oh, sorry, minimum lead time is 6 is there. Maximum is 9. So 6 225 into 6 plus ROQ. ROQ is given there 3600 units. Then I will calculate. Then I got 8325 units. Third one, minimum level. Minimum level means ROL reorder quantity, reorder levels minus average usage rate into average lead times. Then ROL is find out 6075 minus average usage rate. What is average usage rate? 450 is there. How to? So average usage rate. Average usage rate. Minimum usage. How to find out average usage? Minimum usage is 675 is given there and maximum is minimum is 225. Then we will add both minimum and maximum and divide 2. So I got 900 900 then divide 2. 900 divided by 2. Then I got it 450. This one is 450. Then average lead time. How to find it? Average lead time. Time is there 6 and 9. Then I will add both 6 and 9 and divide into 2 equal to 2700 unit. And our next question is average stock level. Average stock level. Average stock level means average stock level equal to minimum level. Minimum level plus 1 by 2 ROQ. We order quantity. Means minimum level is what? Minimum level is 2700 plus 1 by 2 and reorder quantity means is given there 3600 unit. Then I got it 4500 unit. So student, I solved that these questions. I will take again second questions. So then I will find out how to find out EOQ. So student, we will start the second questions. So how to find out economics order quantity. Question is there, monthly consumption 250 units and cost of placing and receiving one order 30 rupee. So price per unit 5 rupee and storage and carrying cost 10% of inventory value. So EOQ equal to 2 into A is to O divided by C.